Hello, hello! Welcome back to Vegg'n Gardening with me, Kate, where we talk about Zone B gardening from week to week. It is February 6, 2022, and we're going to be planting indeterminate cherry and plum tomatoes this week. And we'll check on the seeds that we planted last week. But this week I've got 4 varieties of indeterminate cherry and plum tomatoes, including Super Sweet 100 cherry tomato, Granadero Roma or plum tomatoes, Juliet, another Rome or plum tomato, Roma, Speckled Roman, indeterminate plum tomato. Speckled Roman I think is more of an heirloom, so we'll see how that goes. And I'll probably seed all of these a few times just in case there's any kind of failures in the crop. But just as a recap, here is how I seed tomatoes. Step 1, make your rows. Step 2, seed your tomatoes. Tomatoes germinate pretty well, so you really don't need that many. Step 3, tuck the tomato seeds in and pat, pat, pat. Step 4, label and date each variety. Step 5, water very gently. I'll start with a spray bottle and then a watering can. When the soil is really dry, you have to be careful so that the seeds don't move around. Step 6, cover so that it stays humid and place in a relatively dark spot until the seeds germinate. Here are my seedlings from last week. We have spinach on the left and lettuce on the right. You can tell they're a little leggy. I probably kept them in the dark a day too long. But we'll just give them a little scooch here. Next week, I've got my seeding calendar here. Next week, I'll most likely be planting kohlrabi, onions, and peppers. So it's really getting going. If you are seeding anything interesting right now, let me know. If you've got any questions on what to seed or how to seed or anything else about your garden and getting ready for it, let me know. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.